Our next speaker holds a very important position in our community, but most importantly for this project. He's the Managing Director at Guardian Group Vatem, and as Managing Director, Mr. Frankel is responsible for operations in Aruba, Bonaire, and St. Martin. He has 25 years of experience in the field of general insurance, life insurance, and pensions. Mr. Frankel holds a bachelor's degree in commercial economics and a master's in marketing. He served in the Royal Dutch Navy as an officer and has worked in the Netherlands and throughout the Dutch Caribbean. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me in welcoming Mr. Diego Frankel, Chairman of the Committee for Staatsherstel.
There we go. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. I'm actually quite excited standing in front of you because we started 2.5 years ago working in a project on this beautiful initiative that Prime Minister Ayman started. I'm the project leader of this project, and in the very beginning it was called Staatsherstel. It's now called Renovation Aruba NV, and we have other examples in the world. In the Netherlands we have Staatsherstel Amsterdam, and in Curaçao we have Staatsherstel Willemstad. Actually, this initiative is all about beautifying our beautiful island of Aruba, making it a better place to live. And besides that, getting a decent return on your money. What else would you like to have? Once more, Mr. Ayman started this project. I was asked to be the project leader, and I grabbed it with 2 hands because next to my normal job in an insurance company, I thought it was a very noble cause in working for the island and make it a better place to live. In this light, I want to thank the fellow project members, and as you can see, you see the sign of AIB. I just want to introduce you to the other project members who were from the commercial banks. It was represented by Gina Habibe. From government, we had Ricky Harms, we had Jonathan Nisbet, and also Angel Martijn. And from AIB, who really did the work, were Marielsa, sitting in the room there, and also Gabi, who will also be taking over the presentation just now. I will do the high-level part of the presentation, and then trying to take you along of the main items of this project, and then you will hear Gabi, who will go more into the details, more into the depth of several parts of this new to be established entity. It started all in 2011 when the financial institutions were called to government in order to sign a protocol. And the protocol was signed between the financial institutions like the Aruba Bank, the AIB Bank, Banco de Caribe, CMB, the pension fund APFA, and also Enia Insurance Company, and also Guardian Group Vatem. Those companies actually signed the protocol saying, yes, let's work together, let's see if we can make this Staatsherstel happen. The Staatsherstel is a limited liability company to be established. It is a company that is going to buy, renovate buildings in Oranjestad or San Nicolas. And the buildings would be buildings with an historical value. aesthetical value, cultural value, commercial value. Very flexible. We will not stick to only monumental buildings. Any building that adds value to the inner city of Oranjestad or St. Nicolaas could be a potential candidate for Renovation Aruba NV. We have looked at best practices in the Netherlands. We have looked at Stadsherstel Amsterdam. We have looked at Stadsherstel Willemstad. And we learned from what they did. Sure, we have fine-tuned that information towards the local situation, and we said, well, this entity will surely fit into our local community. The objective is to work together, and we know that that there are more organizations working on buildings in the inner city. We have Monumenten Fonds. There's another, SOGA, and it's not a matter of trying to compete, nothing like that. We only want to contribute, working together, and putting more capital next to those organizations into our inner cities in order to do more for our country. And also, everything what we do, we look at the plans of government, the Bo Aruba plan, and we try to make it fit within the whole context of them. The entity is going to be funded by government by imputing a building into the Stadsherstel, and it will be the ex-Voogdij building. So that's part of government. And the financial institution, it's intended for them to put the money into the company. And also there is great opportunity for private investors in order to invest in this new to be established company. For the future activities, before we can start with the future activities, and we are nearly there, because the law has been passed in Parliament, the NV can be established, the building of government can be imputed into the company, so we passed those stages. So we are now in a stage that we need to attract the funding from the financial institutions and also the private investors. And we are looking at approximately an investment for the coming 3 years, we have estimated, but it's not carved in stone, of nearly 6 million guilders. On that investment, it is intended, the target is, the budget is to give back to the investors a return of 5%. And it will be done in an entity that's completely structured like other financial institutions here in Aruba are structured. Financial institutions who fall under the supervision of the central bank, who need to have a supervisory board, an executive board, compliance rules, etc., etc. We will handle in conformity with the books. So I really would like to make an appeal on my fellow financial institutions who, I can see some in the room. Javier, one of them. I can see Anya here. Let's join and let's put the money into this entity, and let's show and let's lead the others the way, and let's be the example for others to invest. So let's start up this entity, fund it, select our first project, which actually has already been selected, which is the Expo Dijraad. It's the intention to turn it over into a children's museum, and it will be also rented from government. So that's a very interesting project. It's the first one. And let's create an entity which has a long-term, lifetime, sustainable, and support all kinds of projects in the inner city of Aruba, Oranjestad, St. Nicolaas, get a good return on the invested capital, and in this way we can all contribute to the well-being, to the well-living on our beautiful island of Aruba. Guys, let's make this happen. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Frankel.